What?
Sir, I'm going to place you into custody. I'm going to place you both into custody if you don't.
We
give your
didn't
ID.
break any laws.
I'm going to give you one more chance.
It's our First Amendment right to
Sir,
film in public.
Sir, I'm going to take you into custody.
Excuse me.
Hello. Hey, I keep seeing you pull over.
That's none of your business. Is that illegal?
I keep seeing you around buildings, yeah.
It's illegal to be around buildings?
I keep seeing you drive around closed buildings.
Is it illegal to be around buildings?
Are you loitering? What are you doing, Baron? I want to know what you're doing.
Did you just see what I was doing?
Here.
I don't answer questions, man.
Hey folks, welcome back to our channel. Our today's story is about two determined folks with cameras who really believe they have the right to record, especially because of the First Amendment. They get into a tough situation with security and the police, all because they say they're recording in a public place. Thanks to the ridiculousness and corruption of the Fremont police in Ohio, we're seeing some outrageous behavior. Officer Kitty thinks public photography on a sidewalk is a crime and believes he can demand anyone's ID and detain them if they don't comply. But today, things are going to change and he's in for a valuable lesson. Stick around until the end to see how it unfolds. But before we get into it, let me introduce you to the channel featured in today's video. Let me audit you. They were out enjoying some fun with friends, exercising their rights and engaging in public photography. Very respectful, until they encountered someone uncomfortable with their recording. This led to them calling armed individuals to the scene. I'll leave the links to their channel below so you can show your support. Also, the full video link will be provided for those interested. So let's see what happens when these costume clowns arrive on the scene.
I'm telling you.
A lawful order for what?
Gentlemen, I need to see some ID.
No, you don't.
Gentlemen. Sir, I need to see your... Gentlemen, I need to see your ID.
For what?
Because I got called down here. Now I need to identify you.
No, you don't.
Yes, sir,
What
I
law
did.
did we break?
Sir, it's called obstruction. I'm going to ask you...
Obstruction of what?
Of official business.
What
I'm down
official
here for-
business?
I need to see your ID. I need to see... Gentlemen!
There was no
Whoever's-
obstruction. You guys are
whoever's coming
goofballs.
down- Obstructed what? I need those two, sir. Sir, I'm telling you to stop.
What?
Sir, I'm going to place you into custody. I'm going to place you both into custody if you don't
We
give me your
didn't
ID.
break any laws.
What are you guys doing down here?
We're filming
For
in
what?
public. It's our choice to film.
Now I'm down
It's
here.
a
I'm going to
First
ask you
Amendment
for
right.
your identification
It's a First
card.
Amendment
Sir,
right.
I'm going to give you one more chance.
It's our First Amendment right to
Sir, I'm
film
gonna
in
take
public.
You, sir, I'm going to take you into custody.
Excuse me.
Sir,
The law what the hell?
Sir,
You're breaking the law. This is bullshit. You're breaking
the
my
law.
camera.
one in custody.
You're breaking the law, sir.
Take.
You're breaking the law.
You're
illegally detaining him for
No,
no
I
crime.
am not, sir.
What crime did he commit? We're in public filming. It's called the First Amendment.
Sir, I'm going to place you into custody. No, I need to see your identification card.
And my hands are full.
Put them down.
Put what down?
Put them down.
I don't take orders from you.
Sir, you're going to take orders from me.
Excuse me.
Send me a third unit, please.
What authority do you have?
This is
This is
obstruction
really
of official
tight.
business.
What official
loosen this
business?
fucking
What
cuff?
official business? Can you loosen
I-
this cuff?
Sir, I'll loosen
I'm
them up in a
pain.
minute.
Jesus
Fine.
Christ, you're
Well,
pulling
sir,
on my
I need to
business.
see your identification
Son of a
card.
bitch, you're pulling on me. I don't have it on me.
Put that down.
What down? Oh,
The
fuck.
camera. You're fine, sir.
No,
I'll
I'm
get you-
not. My wrist is being cut, you stupid son of a... Ow!
Stand still.
Ah, God. Jesus Christ, man.
Hold on.
Ow. Excessive force. Oh, God. Ow.
Stop.
You're doing it.
Identify him or
Ow.
take him into custody.
Don't approach me. Jesus fucking Christ. What the hell are you doing, man? Torturing me like that. The hell you are. You're within 6 feet of me. Get away from me.
Take him into custody if
No,
he's
you
not
don't
going to
touch me.
identify
You're getting
himself.
sued, bro. You're getting sued, son. You're getting sued.
Sir, give me your name.
I ain't going nowhere. You don't have to be dragging me, baby. Don't touch me. All right. You're going to lose your qualified immunity right now, both of you. What are you doing, man?
Knock it up. Put your hands behind you.
Take it off
Do
me.
not resist.
I'm not resisting. Hurt my goddamn
I
wrist.
have you in custody.
You don't have to fucking hold me like this.
There it is, folks. Pure tyranny. Can you imagine how these cops treat people who don't record and don't know their rights? It's absolutely pathetic. This is why so many people have lost respect for cops. These individuals who use excessive force and abuse their power on innocent people need to be fired immediately.
What crime did I commit? son of a bitch. Articulate a crime that I committed.
Obstructing official business.
What
Don't
business?
resist.
What business? We didn't obstruct anything. I have an
I
injured
asked you
shoulder.
guys to identify yourself. and
For
you
what?
refused to.
We didn't commit
Okay,
a crime.
well,
We don't have to identify
I have a combat
ourselves.
injury on my
What's in that
shoulder.
here?
Damn it, you're fucking ripping me up.
We didn't commit
I
a
have a claim
crime.
with the
Yes,
VA.
you did. It's called
You
obstruction.
are illegally detaining me. Both of you are breaking the law right now.
We're going to stay here. Please take him
My
into
left
into
wrist
custody
is-
as well.
It's hurting my shoulder. I have a VA disability.
We have a First
Loosen
Amendment right to
this.
film in public.
Loosen it.
We'll loosen it when we get to the car. Calm down.
What car? You going to kidnap us now?
Really?
Yeah, really.
Yeah, really.
We didn't break.
Break any
Can you
goddamn
loosen
law.
this up on my wrist, sir? My left
Fucking
wrist.
tyrant.
God damn it. Loosen it up. Loosen it up.
Let's go.
Loosen it up.
Didn't break any law.
These two need to identify themselves. They're filming. I told them to stop. They continued to walk away. I told them to stop again. I told them to identify themselves.
Oh, stupid ass cops. Somebody post the Fremont Police phone number. I think they need some education, some live action education. I'm gonna get a picture of him with his own camera.
Awesome.
Smile for your camera.
I illegally arrested by a tyrant sergeant for filming in public here in Fremont, Ohio. Fremont, Ohio Police Department. Give them a call. Go live.
I am live.
Awesome. Hey guys, give the Fremont Police Department a call. Let them know that they're arresting people on public sidewalks for recording.
Let's
Saying
let me
it's
audit you.
obstruction because they want to illegally detain us and take our IDs when we don't have to identify. Violation of the Fourth Amendment. Violation of the First Amendment.
You want an explanation or are you good?
Of what?
Well, I told that gentleman kind of what was going on. You guys violating rights and this guy being a piece of shit tyrant.
Don't need any explanation. I know what the f***'s going on. We're free to go.
My name's Captain Conger.
Captain, guess what? I want
Sure.
incident numbers.
Yep.
I want badge numbers for every piece of shit officer here.
Okay.
And I'm going to be getting all your body cams, all your dash cams, your f***ing everything about you.
Don't cuss, please.
Excuse me. Who's the complainant? You can't be the complainant. You want to go down that route? You're going to go after my First Amendment violation again?
You guys are free to go.
I'm free to stay.
Or free to stay.
Yeah, so now you guys can kick rocks.
All right.
Fort Smith, again, I've done nothing. We pulled over to check the fuel, how it's going, and he turned his lights on. So let's figure out what's going on.
Hello.
Hey,
I keep seeing you pull over.
that's none of your business. Is that illegal?
I keep seeing you around buildings, yeah.
It's illegal to be around buildings?
I keep seeing you drive around closed buildings.
Is it illegal to be around buildings?
Are you loitering? What are you doing about them? I want to know what you're
Did
doing.
you
around
just see
buildings.
what I was doing?
Here.
I don't
Not
answer
those two
questions,
buildings.
man. Now, are you arrested? Is there a reason you pulled me over?
Yeah, you're being suspicious, that's why.
Was that a felony or a misdemeanor?
In this video, Mr. Ashlock was in an Applebee's parking lot when he noticed a police vehicle approaching him. Feeling uneasy about the officer, Mr. Ashlock attempted to move away. Unfortunately, his vehicle broke down as he was trying to distance himself. He stepped out to repair it, instructing his daughter to turn the ignition while he worked under the hood. When the car started, he got back in, but then the police officer pulled him over.
It's neither. So if you don't have a reason to pull me over, sir,
I got a reason
am I
to
on
pull
my
you
way?
over.
Am I being detained?
Yeah. I'm
For
asking
what?
questions.
For what law?
Why are you driving around those buildings like
For
that?
what law am I being detained? I need your supervisor. Guys, call 911 if he gets erratic. I need your supervisor down here now.
That's fine. Fine, thank you.
Fort Smith's finest. Just think they can make up their own laws. They can't. We're the people. Kill my car. This guy ain't gonna waste my gas. Here he is. No reason to pull me over. And here he is. Wait, what's your name and badge number?
Cassidy 4428.
Cassidy 44. Are you a rookie, Cassidy?
Nope.
Okay. Cassidy 4428. You're gonna lot out trouble for yourself, buddy.
That's fine.
That's fine. You're hindering my day. Supervisor. This is outrageous, man. These guys think they think that they make the laws. They think they can do anything they want. They cannot do this. I'm doing nothing illegal. And he knows it. It's my constitutional right to not have this happen to me, and I'm going to pursue charges against this man and against the Fort Smith Police Department. Third time this week. Idiots. What was the law? What do you pull me over again for, sir? For suspicion? Is that correct?
You keep driving on closed businesses.
Is that illegal?
They're all closed. There's no reason to be
Is
behind.
that illegal? Is that illegal? He has no answer because it is not illegal. It's a violation of my constitutional rights. Right here. You're witnessing it, guys. Go live on YouTube, or give me your phone too. We're gonna make sure, just get video ready. Now he's walking away from me. I'm sick of this. I am sick of this. Fort Smith PD, they just making their own crap up. Now here we are, stuck here, while he's shining his light in my... Sir, can I help you look for something? What are you doing?
Don't worry about it.
I'm worried about it because I'm worried why you got us pulled over. I'm afraid. I'm in fear.
Of course you are.
I'm in fear of my life and my children in the car. This rogue cop here trying to make his own rules up. No reason. This is unjustified. You're pulling me over for no reason. It's a violation of my constitutional rights.
You want to supervise? He's on the way. Be quiet.
You can't tell me to be quiet. You be quiet. Go sit in your car. You can't bark commands at me. I'm not a dog. I'm a gosh damn human. This dude's an idiot. Yeah, I want the supervisor as quickly as possible. 5 police. I've done nothing. I stand up for my rights, and here they come. I got the whole freaking patrol squad down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 police vehicles. How bored are they to have this much time?
How's it going?
Not very well.
Why is that?
Are you the supervisor?
Yes, sir. My name is Lieutenant Young.
All right, Lieutenant what?
Young?
Young? Okay. Please not with a flashlight. My child's in here.
I'm going to have a flashlight on so I can see inside the vehicle.
All right, you don't need to see inside my vehicle. I've done nothing wrong. Look.
100% of the time I do.
So, okay, who's your boss, man?
The chief of police?
Who, Danny Baker?
Yeah.
All right, I want to talk with Danny Baker. Is he available?
No.
Okay, why am I being harassed? How come I get pulled over twice a week for nothing?
I don't have an answer for that.
He said, what's he say he pulled me over for? Suspicion?
Well, I mean, we have a duty to...
No. What is the...
If you want me to explain it to you, I explain it to you. But if you want to interrupt me, I can't explain
Beat around the bush, but explain it to me. I get it.
I'm not going to beat around the
bush. Go ahead.
bush.
What is it?
If we observe people around a bunch of different closed businesses in a short amount of time, we're going to stop and talk to them.
Okay.
I mean, and right now, there's a lot of closed businesses.
You've pulled me over. Now, what statute in Arkansas says that you have the right to pull someone over if you see them around businesses?
The loitering statute, for one.
How am I loitering? I pulled in, I pulled out. I checked my fuel and I move.
That was just here, though.
I pulled in, stopped it, the other one and revved it up, and it was doing good, and I kept going.
All right, what about over at Applebee's, over at AT&T?
Look in the back seat, I got Applebee's in the car. I went and picked up my food, man.
Right. What about over there behind Hastings?
None of your business, bro. It doesn't matter. I picked up my food, I checked my fuel pump, and I come home.
If you own one of these closed businesses, wouldn't you want us to check in?
No.
For you?
I think what you're doing is violating my constitutional rights, man.
Okay.
I've done nothing wrong. Here I am surrounded by 5 cops with guns. They're look at them. Whispering, talking with each other. My kid's in the car.
There's nobody in here with guns.
I don't trust any of you.
Okay.
And I want to go home.
Okay.
Now.
Can you identify yourself?
I'm not going to identify. I've done nothing wrong.
Okay.
I'll tell you my name's Luke, and that's all I got.
Okay.
I'd like to be on my way.
Where is home?
Does not matter.
Is it in Fort Smith?
Sir, I'd like to be on my way home so I can eat my food with my children on my birthday.
Okay.
How long are you gonna hold me up now?
I mean, I'm just verifying what you told me. That's all I'm doing.
I'm not telling you anything else. I don't answer questions without a lawyer present.
Okay.
Now, if you want to get my lawyer, Coy Rush, get him down here because I'm not answering anything else. I want to go home.
I would have no way to contact
Yeah.
him, so I can't do that.
I want to go home. I've done nothing wrong. You guys done bullying me and harassing and interrogating me?
The only person that's upset here is you, sir.
Because of you guys doing this to me. I've done nothing wrong. I'm sick of it. Twice a week this happens.
Well, you're free to go.
In the video, the officer referred to Mr. Ashlock as a sovereign citizen. However, when we examine the situation through the lens of the United States Constitution, we see that Mr. Ashlock was well within his rights and was actually free to go when the supervisor approached him. As outlined in the Fourth Amendment of the Constitution, individuals are protected against unreasonable searches and seizures by law enforcement. Mr. Ashlock's decision to move away from the officer initially stemmed from a sense of unease, which is also protected under the Constitution's provision for freedom from unwarranted intimidation. The term sovereign citizen often implies a belief that laws don't apply to an individual. However, Mr. Ashlock was simply exercising his constitutional rights and understanding the law. That's precisely why he was able to leave without further interference.
Hey, don't film inside the vehicle.
Grandma's filming.
Don't do it.
Why not, darling?
Because there's personal property in there, and there's sensitive items in there.
But Grandma's in public.
But don't film inside of the vehicle, okay?
But Grandma's in public.
You can't film other people inside of other people's cars, okay?
Oh, I can't film inside other people's.
Personal property.
My eyes can see it, a camera can see it. If there was any private sensitive things, I see you got your spit bottle, you know.
So
what, darling?
So I told you you're fine to look at the vehicles, but don't be filming inside the vehicles, okay?
It's the same thing as looking at them. It's in public.
I'm telling you not to do it though, okay?
Is that an order?
Yes.
So you'll arrest me if I do? Are you mean to elderly folks?
One, sir, you're not elderly, okay?
That's discrimination.
Well, then fine.
I'm a grandma.
Call it what you want.
I'm a grandmother, and I don't approve of this, sir.
Okay, well, your behavior right now, filming inside of a police vehicle, is suspicious, so I'm going to ask for your ID now.
Oh, did I commit a crime?
You're being suspicious, so I'm
What crime is that? Is that a misdemeanor or a felony?
I'm investigating.
For what crime? Suspicious and it's not a crime.
No, because I haven't determined yet if you've committed a crime.
Well, you have to before you come and ask for ID.
Oh, I do?
Yeah, what's the Fourth Amendment, silly?
I do not need...
No, the Fourth Amendment?
I do not need permission.
Yes, you do. We have a
identify
constitution.
yourself. I don't need permission from you especially to conduct my job.
What crime did I commit?
I'm asking, you have not committed a crime yet, but
there
right
we
now
go. There's the answer.
I am suspect.
So no, I'm suspect of you.
I have probable cause.
You have to have reasonable, articulable suspicion before you can have probable cause.
Given your demeanor and given you...
Oh, so it's illegal to be a grandma now?
Listen, let me see your ID.
How about hell no?
If you do not identify yourself, I will place you under arrest.
All right, then arrest me, because that's a Fourth Amendment violation.
Put this down.
Oh, I'll just hold on to it if you...
Why are you being difficult?
Why are you trying to violate my Fourth Amendment rights?
You're intentionally goading and antagonizing.
And antagonizing what? Standing on public property? You just said I could look inside.
This actually is not public property.
Yes, it is. Where's the signs restricting? And you just gave me permission to come. Private property is not a police station. Who pays for it? We the people. You had an oath swore to uphold the Constitution, yet you're trying to violate a grandma's rights.
No, I'm not.
For filming, because she doesn't want to give you ID because you said she committed no crime. You have to have reasonable, articulable suspicion that a crime was committed, is about to be committed, or already has been committed. What crime did I commit? And you said none.
Yeah, where does that from then?
What do you think?
What Iowa code?
What do you think?
What Iowa code?
That's your job.
What Iowa code?
What's the Fourth Amendment?
What Iowa code?
What's the Fourth
I'm not
Amendment?
Sit here and
you
argue
swore
with
an
you.
oath to the Constitution. That's your #1 job.
I am not.
And you're over here trying to
your
violate
rights.
my rights.
No,
Standing in public videotaping.
No, I'm not.
There's zero. What's private information besides your spit cup?
You're intentionally
videotaping, being nice,
And
being cordial.
Your little viewers here are probably getting a real kick out of this, aren't they?
I don't know. You ask them. You could look in the camera and say hello.
Hi.
You know how many people are watching you right now trying to violate a grandma's rights?
What right have I violated?
My Fourth Amendment. What do you think the Fourth Amendment is?
Have I violated
to be secure in my persons
I'm not
and
sit here and
papers?
argue with you. Okay?
Well, then violate my rights. That's up to you. But you're getting a lawsuit if you try.
Listen.
No crime was committed, and you need that to get ID. That's end of story. If you don't like grandma filming, yes, you do.
No, I do
You need
not.
reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime. So what crime is that? You said there is none.
You know what an investigation is?
Yes, that's what you conduct if you determine if there was a crime. And you determine there was no crime, so you just failed. Grandma's smarter than you.
Okay, Grandma.
It's true, and you know it. You could go ahead and violate grandma's rights all you want. It's going to be bad on you. If you need your supervisor, need to call the sheriff because you don't know the job that you've signed up for, upholding the Constitution. You don't know the Fourth Amendment.
Sit down, you cop. I never said I didn't.
How do you know I wasn't a cop before?
Were you?
I don't know. Was I?
That's what I'm asking you.
I don't have to answer.
You don't.
You're a public servant.
You don't.
You're supposed to serve the public. And I'm the public, am I not? Until I commit a crime. And you just said there's no crime committed. But yet you want to violate my rights.
Have I?
My First and Fourth Amendment.
I never
You just said that you were going to place me under arrest if I don't give you ID. That's my Fourth Amendment right. Grandma doesn't back down from shit.
I don't care if you back down or not.
Well, then you're going to have fun in court. Imagine all the jury seeing this, trying to violate an elderly woman's rights.
Too.
Yeah, they'll see that and they'll be like, wow, this grandma's been very polite and cordial with you. And you came up, said there's no crime being committed, yet you demand ID. Do your investigation then. For what crime? Reasonable, articulable suspicion. That's what you need. Grandma's a war veteran. You understand that? Grandma actually fought for these rights. The ones that you're trying to strip from grandma for doing nothing wrong.
War veteran. Okay.
Yes.
What war?
World War II. WW2.
Right.
Grandma killed 20 of them Nazis and you're acting like one. Okay. Trying to take our freedoms away. Hell no. Hell no, darling. This man's a bully.
This is Grandma. And he's videotaping inside law enforcement vehicles and
which is perfectly acceptable.
Refuses to identify himself.
I don't have to. He said no crime's been committed. There's absolutely no crime that can be committed.
Okay, is there anything I can help you with?
Tell Stanley to stop being a naughty boy and to leave Grandma alone. No, Stanley tried arresting Grandma.
Suspicious behavior is what I told him.
You want me to hold my horses?
No, I said just hold on. I gotta talk. You gotta let me speak. Is that okay?
If you listen to Grandma afterwards, Grandma will let you. All right, you can
I
talk.
just got on duty. I have no idea what's going on. I just came in here.
Yeah, no, that's all right, Fox.
It is very unfamiliar to have somebody videotape the inside of cars. It's kind of weird. That's why.
Well, they're police vehicles bought by the public, are they not?
They are, but it is weird for people to videotape the building, wouldn't you?
I don't think so at all, darling. I think people should videotape buildings they buy. Yeah, but this isn't your house. This is public. This isn't private property. There's a huge difference in between that. You don't see me going up to some private people's property. This is we the people's property. So Grandma's just out here. Tell Stanley to stop trying to violate my Fourth Amendment. Bad Stanley, you're naughty.
Well, Fourth Amendment's a...
to be secure in my persons and papers, and he tried violating my rights.
I asked for his identification.
Yes, I'm pressed.
It's not wrong to ask for something.
No, he demanded it, or I'm going to be arrested, was his exact words. And Grandma doesn't back down. I'm a grandma, boob inspector, and my name's Grandma. Okay. Grandma's been around the block a time or two, Stanley. Just because you don't like what I'm doing doesn't mean it's wrong, Stanley.
Is there anything that you came here to do? Or
yeah, just to film in public. You know where I just came from?
Courthouse?
No, Marshalltown, and you know how great interactions I had there? Fantastic. Good. They loved me. You know what they said?
It's good to enforce your rights. And
exactly, because this nerd tried stripping them from me.
What I'm trying to say is, let's not name call. Let's not do that. We're civil human beings.
Are you going to name call me anymore, Stanley?
I never name called
you. You called me ridiculous looking.
No, I said...
Yeah, exactly. I look ridiculous, like you son of a gun.
I didn't say you are.
Yeah, you said I look ridiculous, and I said you look like a nerd.
You said you are a stupid nerd.
Well, you are a stupid nerd.
There you go.
Yeah, stupid nerd, Stanley.
So I just want to ask again, is there anything that we can help you with at all?
Tell Stanley to leave Grandma alone, and I'm out of here.
Tell me to leave.
Yeah, tell him.
I sure freaking do.
Yeah, walk of shame, Stanley. Get out of here, Stanley.
I just want to...
You're a son of a gun, Stanley. You can't violate my rights. I'm Grandma. I do what I need to do. You son of a gun.
So folks, in our country, United States, the issue of recording police activities, including their vehicles, involves balancing individual rights with public safety. The First Amendment protects the right to free speech and the press, which includes recording police officers in public. Court rulings have confirmed this right because it helps keep the government transparent and accountable. Police cars, funded by taxpayer money, are public property, but that doesn't mean individuals can use them freely or without restrictions. Laws are in place to ensure public safety and order. Recording in public is a right, but it's not unlimited. It must be balanced with concerns for safety, law enforcement effectiveness, and privacy. Police officers must follow the law and can't stop someone from recording unless it truly disrupts their work or poses a safety risk. Misunderstandings about these rights can cause conflicts, so clear communication and respect are important. Knowing your rights and responsibilities, and officers respecting the public's right to record, helps avoid problems. Legal cases like Glick versus Cunniff 2011 support the right to record police in public spaces, reinforcing the importance of transparency and accountability. In summary, recording police activities is a protected part of free speech, contributing to government transparency. While police have safety concerns, these must be balanced with the public's right to document their actions. Understanding and respecting each other's rights helps build a cooperative relationship between law enforcement and the community. If you like this video and believe in defending civil rights, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel, and sharing it with your friends and family. Your support can really make a difference in spreading awareness.